Here we are on the 4th of July with family and friends. Cousin Bill over here is visiting from California. Glad to have a visitor from Cali. And then our friends Heidi and Scott, and Mr. D is back there. Hope you all have a great 4th of July. By the time you see this, 4th of July will be past.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
All together, 1, 2, 3.
Happy 4th of July! We had a great weekend with awesome friends, good food, homemade chocolate ice cream, and time outside with the birds. So this is the pasture where we're going to be moving the birds on down through the clover and around the garden is our plan initially. And I am not sure how far they will go. We have a lot of clover here for them to eat. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning after 4th of July weekend. We had a great weekend visiting with family and friends, and we got our chicken tractor together. Now I'm coming out to feed all the chickens. So these girls haven't come out yet, so I'm gonna just go ahead and feed them, and then I'll take you up to the meat birds. All right, heading up to the little meat bird babies. So we've moved these babies a couple of times already, and you'll be able to see the soil behind them. A lot of manure, a little bit of scratching, but they've only just begun.